Hi, this is Stacey of Ellis Family Farms, and I ran too hard yesterday, and I'm feeling it today. But I'm getting around to getting around and getting to work. So let's get to it. Ah, the joys. What am I hearing? Let's go check it out. I wonder if it's that turkey. I guess it is that turkey making that noise. Just kind of startled me a little bit. What was that? I'm going to have to go there and find out. Well, I'm not seeing anything. I know the grass is pretty darn tall here, but I'm not seeing anything what's stirring them up. Makes me nervous, though, I won't lie. I don't know. This is a small one, but I've got lots of volunteer tomato plants out here in this chicken run. See, that's a much bigger one. And there's some more over here. See, that's a pretty nice one too. Ooh, it's even got blossoms on it. Cool. There's another one over there kind of buried in the weeds, but there's a lot of them in here. Well, I don't know what that was all about, but because I didn't see anything. So let's get back to what we were doing. Now I got a bull across the road bellowing, or a cow. I'm not sure which one it is. But yeah, see all this trash? That's from a puppy. Wood, newspaper. We got all the way around. See the trail? And there's more up that way. Ah, the joys of having a puppy. Alright. It turns out that it probably was something Tom did with the electricity when he was digging. And the reason I say that is because we actually had a friend come over to check it out and see what he could find out. And when Tom hit the electric line the other day, he only took a section of the insulation off, and he said he wrapped it in wire and stuff, but the man says that you got to do a lot more insulation than that, and so I guess we're going to have to do some work on the electricity. But we knew that already, we just didn't know exactly where to start. One of the things I tried to show you the other day, but I had the camera zoomed and I couldn't do a very good job of it. Look at this. This is on the outside. This is where the threshold was, and that's fallen. Oh, Tom has moved some of the... So we're going to have to replace this. Somebody fell through. We had a bunch of girls here this weekend, and they said they did not fall through. Tom said he did not fall through. I certainly didn't, because if I'd had somebody would have been knowing about it. But we definitely got to replace that. But that's for another time. I got to start taking care of animals. I hear them. They're hungry. Apparently nobody likes the broccoli or the cauliflower. Both. I know it's not necessarily season, but I'm still not finding any duck eggs or any chicken eggs. I've got that pretty black hen, and then there's that game bird over there, but I'm not finding any eggs at all over here. I guess Hershey wants to come in on this one today. These guys are learning to like the soaked grain. I'm having to give them less, though. I'm having to watch them and give them considerably less. You ready to go? Come on. there's no doubts that Hershey likes the soaked grain feed. Only one egg today. I had two yesterday. I get the feeling these guys are hungry this morning. I'm coming. Got quiet all of a sudden. Better get some water for everybody. Back over here, this other pen with the turkey and stuff. The big black rooster had been ailing since I got him, and I thought he was going to come around. He got up and was moving around a little bit for a day or two, but he finally passed over the weekend. And I'm kind of sorry about that, and I'm kind of not. I don't really want roosters around here, but then again, at the same time, I was starting to get ready to have a rooster, but I guess not. And that game bird over there, there was a rooster with her too, but it disappeared. So, except for these two drakes that are with these two ducks, I think that's all the males I've got. Well, I don't know what I have with the ducklings. Well, they'll come over to the water here in a minute. They're working on it. They like it. They prefer that it wait till I'm done filling it up. My green beans are looking really good. And we've actually got a couple of harvests off of them. I probably need to get back out there and harvest for them today. But I planted broccoli a couple weeks ago, and I don't know what the germination period is on them, but I'm not seeing much. And those are new seeds. It's not like they're from previous seasons. It also looks like I need to get out here and get back onto my cherry tomatoes. They're looking pretty good too. Nice. That's just one bowl, and that's just one row. I've still got to do the other row. Whew. And those aren't very long rows. I bet they're less than 10 feet. Well, there's my second bowl. I think this is my best harvest for the year. Can't beat that. I'll show you this dinner that I've got in the crock pot because we've got another softball game tonight. And I'm kind of proud of it. This is one of our chickens. These are our green peppers, and these are our onions, not our tomatoes. Those are just canned tomatoes. But and I don't believe any of the herbs that are in there are mine because I've already eaten them. But kind of nice. So even though I'm going to be off watching Kenzie play softball, at least Tom will have some dinner when he gets home. Okay, that's still a little far out, but that's something else I've learned to do today. You ever wonder what I do with my time? I'm everywhere, doing all kinds of stuff. So that's something we got. I get to do the marquee now. I'm kind of excited. There you go. Oh, go, 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 go! You got it! You got it! Go, go, go! Woo! Oh, she didn't make it to first base.
Good hit, Kenzie!
Have to go back and get the bat.